Hello and howdy, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow mathletes. I hope you're as excited as I am for this question. It's question number 18 on the 2007 Fermat paper. So let's take a look. A fine multiple choice question. Alfonso and Karen started out with the same number of apples. Maybe we could call it A for apples. Although maybe we'll want A for Alfonso. So how about P for apples? Apples has 2 P's in it. Karen gave 12 of her apples to Alfonso. Okay, so that gives us a shift in what we've got. Next, Karen gave half of her remaining apples to Alfonso. If Alfonso now has 4 times as many apples as Karen, how many apples does Karen now have? All right, well, let's just go through the process here. They start, Alfonso and Karen, they both have P apples. Okay. Then Karen gives 12 of hers to Alfonso. So she loses 12, he gains 12. They never add apples, so the total will always have to be 2P. And so that was step 1. Then step 2, she gives half of her remaining apples to Alfonso, right? Half of her remaining apples. So Alfonso had P plus 12, and then he gains half of these apples. Karen gave away half of her apples, so she'll have half left. Okay. And now, did they do another step? If Alfonso now has 4 times as many apples, so what we're saying is Alfonso's number, P plus 12 plus P minus 12 over 2, is 4 times as many apples as Karen. Okay, if that's the case, how many apples does Karen now have? So once we get P, and we will be able to solve this equation for P, we're going to plug it back into P minus 12 over 2. That'll be our answer. We'll have to be careful because maybe one of the multiple choice answers is P. We'll have to avoid it. I don't like this half here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So I'll get 2P plus 24 plus P minus 12 is equal to, I'll keep this 4 here, but the 2 that I multiplied on both sides will cancel this guy out. So we'll have P minus 12, but that's times 4, so we'll have 4P minus 48. Now let's collect all the P's onto one side, 2 P's and 1 P and 4 P's. We're just going to get a single P over here. 24P minus 12P plus 48, because we bring it over to the other side. 24 minus 12 is 12. 12 plus 48 is 60. So they both started with 60 apples. But we don't care about that. We want the number that Karen has. So Karen currently has 60 minus 12 over 2. But that's 48 over 2, or 24 apples. They started with 60, then Alfonso got 72, and Karen had 48. Then she gave him half of what she had, so she had 24, and he now has 96. Okay? But 24 is going to be the answer. That's all we care about. B, 24. And that is our answer for question number 18. All right, up next will be question number 19. Feel free to take a look at that before I get to that in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day.